Good morning, good morning. We are doing a side body standing yoga class stretch for the side of your body. Welcome, it is me, Nina, Hatha yoga teacher, a yoga health coach and a yoga teacher trainer. And today we're going to be doing a little bit of yoga together. Again, you don't need much space. I am here between two boats. So seriously, you can do this anywhere. We're going to start off by having the feet and the knees a little wide, about hip width apart, or a little wider than hip width apart. You're going to close your eyes for just a moment. Take a couple of deep breaths here and just take a moment to acknowledge and think of how you would feel 12 months from now if you did just 5 or 10 minutes of yoga, movement, breathing every single day. What would that shift and change for you? How would that lift your mood? How would that change your physical body? And then take a moment to acknowledge a time when someone expressed deep gratitude towards you and how that made you feel. And as that feeling spreads through your body, bend the knees a little bit more and gently start to swing the arms from side to side, swinging your body. So just warming up. Again, it is a gorgeous morning here in Knysna. It is so lovely. Everyone is starting to wake up in the harbour, getting their day going. So I'm going to try and speak quite softly so I don't wake up everyone. All right, there we go. The hands are just warming up. Soften that movement. Take the feet a little wider apart from here. Inhaling as you reach your left arm up. And as you exhale, you're going to slide over to the right. Just sliding that arm down. Other arm goes up and over. Inhale back to the center. We do that twice more. Exhaling, opening up the side body. Notice how that feels. Yep. Should be feeling really delicious. Now stay here, hold it. Watch that you don't arch your lower back. So you might even, if you tend to do that, you might want to just tuck under the tailbone a little and hold it there. Right, good. Breathe. Notice how you can use your abdominals to hold you here. You're not supporting yourself with your hand on the leg. That's just there for a little bit of guidance. But you're actually holding yourself. You can feel that psoas muscle kicking in. You can feel the abdominals kicking in here. Inhale, bring yourself back to the center. Exhale, release. Same thing other side. Inhale, right arm lifts. Exhale, lean over to the left. All right, how does this side feel? Inhale, back to the center. Exhaling over. And again, exhaling over. Stay here, hold it. Soften a little into the knees. Feel the lower back. Sacrum feeling heavy. Reach into the fingers. Hold it here. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Lovely. Inhaling back to the center. Exhale, release. Sink into a squat. So we're going to take the feet a little wider apart. Don't fall off the jetty. Heels in, toes out. Sink into the squat. All right, breathing practice, goddess movement. I love this sequence. Inhale, bring the hands to the heart center. As you exhale, round your upper back, draw the chin into the throat. Inhale, lift the sternum, bring the arms up. Exhale, bend the elbows behind you. Good. Now from here, inhale, hold. Exhale, lean over to the right. That's it. Inhale back to the center. Exhale, lean over to the left. Inhale back to the center. Exhale, sink a little deeper. Inhale, reach those arms up. Exhale, release the arms. Good. Now we're staying here. Inhale, bring the hands to the heart. Exhale, round the upper back. Empty the lungs. Inhale, reach those arms up. Exhale, stay here. Slip the hands behind your head. Inhale, open the elbows. Exhale, lean over to the right. You've got this. Inhale back to the center. Exhale to the left. Inhale back to the center. Reach those arms up. And now as you exhale, press through the feet, releasing the arms down. Good. Circle the shoulders. Notice how you feel. All we're going to do from here is you're going to turn your feet forward and then you're going to turn your right foot out to the right. All right, we're going to move towards trikonasna. Very gently, moving dynamically. Don't push, don't force. We haven't warmed that body up completely, so this is a very gentle warming up version. Inhale, reach the arms out to the sides, look past your right hand. As you exhale, reach to the right and gently tilt down. Inhaling, coming back again, that's all. Exhaling, tilting down. Inhaling back again. We're doing 3 more. We're doing 5 rounds dynamically. Inhaling back. You've got this. Again, using the abdominals to hold you. Inhaling back. Last time, this time when you're down, stay there, hold it, breathe into it. Now really reach that arm up. If that feels uncomfortable, just bring it into the waist. It doesn't have to be up there if that shoulder's a little tweaky. All right, mine is this morning, so I'm going to keep my hand into my waist. If yours isn't, you can send your arm up. Press down through the feet, lift the chest, greet the sun, smile. I must say, there is something just magical about doing yoga outdoors. Really is. Press down through the feet. Inhale, reaching the arms up. Exhale, release. All right, we swivel the feet the other way. Turning the left foot to the left, angle the right foot in just a little. Make sure this is comfortable for you. Inhale, reaching the arms up. Exhale, reaching over and down. Inhale back to the center. Exhaling down. Inhaling back. Exhaling down. Can't really open my legs wider than this, otherwise I'm going to literally slide off the jetty. Once more. That could be really interesting. We do Hanumanasman, the splits, the monkey guard, reaching up with that arm, releasing down. Feel that the abdominals are working. Again, we're not going for a full, deep, intense trikonasna. This is just a gentle warm-up. Remember, early morning yoga, 10 minutes, a little bit of warm-up. If you want to go deeper into it, you can do a full class afterwards. And there are plenty on this channel that you can choose from. Press down through the feet, inhaling, reaching those arms up. Exhale, release. Walk the feet in and out towards each other. So with any of these short classes, if you want to do more yoga, there is availability to do that. Okay, breathing in, reaching those arms up. As you exhale, extend forwards and down. Uttanasana, your forward bend. I've still got my socks on because it's very cold here. And just hold this. Release the head and the neck, nice and soft. You might want to slip your fingers under your toes. You might even want to walk out those legs a little, warming them up. Make this your practice. Make this comfortable for you. There we go. And then slowly release, bending the knees. Uncurl. Bring the neck and head up last. Standing nice and tall. Close the eyes for just a moment. Compare how the front of your body feels, how the back of your body feels, the right side and the left side. Notice how the chest and the heart center feel. Trikonasna, lovely for the heart center, Anahata chakra. And then take a moment to acknowledge the amazing, awesome human being that you are. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes. And thank you so much for practicing with me again this morning. It is lovely having you here. Make sure that you take a little bit of time today for yourself. Do one or two things that make you smile. And I'll see you again tomorrow at 7 a.m. for another yoga session. Till then, take care and have a gorgeous, gorgeous day.